Hey everyone, today I'm sharing one of the biggest game changers in YouTube automation. I'm going to show you exactly how to reverse engineer any successful channel's winning strategy in less than 5 minutes using a free AI tool called NotebookLM. We're not just copying, we're decoding their blueprint so you can get the same results. And to make this effortless, I'm giving you a custom script for free. It lets you grab every single video link from a channel in just one click, so you can feed data directly into NotebookLM without doing it manually. Quick request before we start. If you find value in this, share it with a friend and smash that subscribe button if you're new here. All right, let's dive into the screen. Let's target a channel like Wise Mindset. We aren't just browsing. We are analyzing their entire library to uncover the specific psychological triggers driving their massive growth and viewer retention. Notice the title's focus on resilience. This consistent emotional theming is exactly what we want to capture today. Now go ahead and open the Python script folder that I've provided for you. Simply create a new text document here and name it links.txt. This step is crucial because it holds every single video link. Right-click the empty space and select Open in Terminal. Once the PowerShell window is ready, type Python itlinks py to run the script, which immediately starts grabbing every single video link now. Watch as the script automatically scrapes every URL. It works incredibly fast, filling that text file with data without you ever lifting a finger. Once the process says done, go ahead and open your text file. You now have a complete, organized list of every video link from the channel. This raw list is the essential fuel for our AI analysis, and this simple script has just saved you hours of tedious, manual copying and pasting work. Now head over to Google and search for NotebookLM. Click the first result to open this powerful, free AI tool. Hit the Try NotebookLM button to load your dashboard, where we will turn that raw data into a clear, actionable strategy for your channel. Click on Create New Notebook to get started. In the source options, select Link. This is the magic step. Copy all the links from your text file and paste them directly into this box. NotebookLM creates a virtual brain based on these specific videos, allowing us to query the entire channel's history instantly. Once you hit Insert, it begins processing every single video to build our custom model. It handles up to 50 sources at once, making it incredibly powerful for deep analysis like this. You'll see all your sources populating on the left panel. NotebookLM isn't just looking at titles, it is actually reading the transcripts and understanding the context of every video. On the right, you have the studio tools where you can even generate audio overviews. But the real power lies in the chat interface. This is where we act as a detective. We are going to ask specific prompts to deconstruct their storytelling formula, their pacing, and their hidden hooks. This transforms passive viewing into active data science. Now let's enter our first master prompt into the chat box. I'm asking it to analyze the storytelling structure, typical themes, and the emotional tone across all these videos. We aren't guessing anymore. We are asking the AI to find the patterns that humans might miss. By doing this, we get a high-level blueprint of the channel's psychological architecture. This is exactly how you find the why behind the views, giving you a distinct advantage over creators who just guess. Watch as it scans through the hours of content we uploaded. It instantly starts generating a detailed report, identifying the exact narrative hooks that capture the viewer's attention. It breaks down the methodology, showing us hooks like the relatable struggle or crisis. It even outlines the recurring themes, such as stoicism and growth through struggle. This is the channel's content DNA laid bare. It maps the emotional journey, highlighting tones like inspirational and empowering, and categorizes the lessons that keep people watching. With this single response, we have a comprehensive production guide. We understand the persistence over perfection angle that resonates with this audience. This isn't just data, it is a cheat sheet for your next script. Instead of guessing what might go viral, you can align your new content with these proven psychological triggers. Now that we understand the structure, let's take it a step further and ask the AI to generate completely fresh viral concepts. I'm typing a new prompt asking for 10 original viral video concepts based on that analysis. I'm specifically telling it to model them after classic fables like The Boy Who Cried Wolf, but with the specific emotional beats we just discovered. This is how you scale. You don't need to be a creative genius every day. You just need to direct the AI to apply the winning formula to new stories. It is literally like having a professional Hollywood writer in your pocket. Look at these results. The weaver who waited, the mirror that only saw dust. These aren't generic ideas, they are tailored scripts waiting to be written. The AI provides the setting, the conflict, and the moral lesson that matches our target channel's success profile. You can pick any one of these and know it has a high probability of performing well because it is built on verified data. This process effectively eliminates writer's block forever. Now that we have our winning concepts, I want to show you one more killer feature in the studio panel. While the chat helps us write, the audio and video overview tools can help us visualize the final product. Imagine using this to create a teaser or a summary for your community tab. We are going to explore the video overview feature, which creates a dynamic presentation of the content we just analyzed. It is a fantastic way to quickly repurpose this research. When you click Customize, you get these powerful options. I'm selecting Explainer to connect the dots and Brief for a quick snapshot. You can even choose a visual style like anime or watercolor if you want to match a specific vibe. This tool generates a virtual host that discusses your sources. It is perfect for turning your research into a quick, engaging video format for social media without you needing to record a single frame or hire an editor. Just hit generate and let the AI do the hard work now. While that processes, look at this script about Elias. The dialogue is natural, and the moral about perfection is woven perfectly into the narrative. The video generation takes a moment because it is synthesizing custom audio and visuals from scratch. This is normal. While we wait, think about the potential here. You can run this process on your competitors or trending topics to find the winning angle. It transforms hours of research into a 5-minute task, giving you significantly more time to create. And here is the final result. We have a complete AI-generated video overview of the channel's strategy. You can play it, adjust the speed, and share it. This is the future of content research. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more high-value tools. See you in the next one.